What's up, America? It's your favorite Monday morning quarterback, Mr. White, back with a special alert on this Tuesday. Cody High Roller has been arrested after announcing that he was going to sue the county in Commissioner's Court. Let's go see that video now.
Okay, we have a couple of public comments. First is Cody Warden.
I came here 3 weeks ago with some serious concerns, and one of those concerns was the malicious prosecution that is still ongoing. The Fort Worth Central Division has informed me that the officer who falsely arrested Manuel Mata for filming on a public sidewalk, Officer Bingle, has been removed from the Central Division because what I believe is they themselves know that they violated the man's First Amendment rights. However, the DA's office is still prosecuting that case. Another matter is in regards to Officer Cox. Officer Cox sexually assaulted Carolyn Rodriguez. I myself was sentenced to 45 days in jail and a year of probation based on somebody's word and was found innocent. My cases were dismissed. How is it fair for me to sit in jail 45 days without bail just based on somebody's false statements and placed on an ankle monitor? But Officer Cox, a sheriff's deputy who's currently employed, being paid with taxpayer money, was never charged and still is continuing to be paid. I guess not in my county's off the table when it pertains to officers sexually assaulting women. I was here last week and you told me to speak to the DA's office about the unlawful trespass that was issued by Officer Womack for filming in a public lobby, which is a violation of my First Amendment rights. I have spoke to the DAs before I came here. They're the ones who recommended me to come here to take that matter up. When I first came 3 weeks ago, you informed me, I have it on video, that I would be on the agenda last week, which was false, because when the time for me to be on the agenda came, then you said I was not going to be on the agenda. I've also taken it to the sheriff, Bill Wayburn, the unlawful trespasses and the sexual assault, which I was never responded to about. I believe one of the solutions is the sheriff's deputies need to have body cameras, and the body cam footage should be fully accessible to the public. I also want to add, in the case where I spent 45 days in jail, when the officer was coercing somebody to make false statements about me, the DA's office to this day still has not released that body cam footage. What I'm asking the county judge and the commissioner's court to do is ensure that we have equal rights under the law, which is a constitutional right. So if you're going to lock somebody away for 45 days without bail who's innocent, just based on somebody's false statements, why not do the same to a police officer who sexually assaults a woman and it's on video? But anyways, that's all I have. I hope you guys do something about this, and I will be filing a federal lawsuit against the county today. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
What's up, America? It's your favorite Monday morning quarterback, Mr. White, back with a special alert on this Tuesday. Cody High Roller has been arrested after announcing that he was going to sue the county in Commissioner's Court. Let's go see that video now.
Chris? Yes. Let's find down, stop recording. Sam? Yeah, don't reach in your pockets, okay? Hold on down. Thank you. What are my charges? One second, get you secure first, okay? Just give me weapons in.
So there he is getting arrested as he's trying to leave the commissioner's court after just saying he's going to sue the county. They do say that it was for traffic tickets, misdemeanor traffic tickets. However, I do think it is kind of odd that that early morning or last night, he had an interaction with South Division and with Central Division, Fort Worth PD, and they knew who he was, but they didn't arrest him. But apparently he had warrants out at that time too, right? Let's go check out the part of that video.
Guess they're calling a wrecker out.
But she, he called her, like I said, it says You all right, Miss Cody?
What's that?
You all right?
Oh, you said my name, Cody?
Well, there you have it. The officer knew him by name. You know, if he had the warrants this morning, it stands to reason that he had the warrants last night when this video was done. So he's arrested this morning for warrants, but when he filmed last night and filmed the officers and they recognized him, either he didn't have warrants or maybe they didn't run him. You know, maybe he found the one officer in Texas that's not going to run somebody when they know their name. They get their name and their information. I mean, I don't know. I'll leave that up for y'all to decide what y'all think. You know, they've been harassing auditors and activists up in Fort Worth, Dallas area for a while now. You know, free Manuel Mata. So let's see. We'll see what happens with all this. You know, I guess Cody's not going to be able to file his lawsuit today, but I would bet that it's going to be coming as soon as he gets out of jail. It's just crazy to me. It's a hell of a coincidence that the events, if it was just a coincidence, it's one hell of a coincidence. That's all I got for you today. Till next time, stay free, America.